You said you never leave me in the dark. While you are not sure you'll find light where you are going. Oh, we will make it. Don't leave. So just be patient for a minute. Things will go according to plan soon. You promised me we would wait up until sunrise, on a rise and buy each other gifts for anniversaries and Valentine's. Late night thinking while I'm staring at the ceiling. So many scars hidden underneath this feeling. You said forever, now forever feels strange. Now I'm standing in the rain while everything changed. Try to hold on, but the love turned cold. Broken promises and stories left untold. Still I pray someday we gon' find peace. Until then my heart still cries on these beats. We will make it. Don't leave. So just be patient.